The Miovant Dog Grooming Kit for shedding with a 3.2-liter large dust cup is a comprehensive tool set designed for grooming and cleaning your pets. Here are some key features and details about this product. Number first, 5 professional grooming tools. This kit includes 5 professional tools: a grooming brush, dust shedding tool, electric clipper, and a 2-in-1 crevice tool. These tools are designed for shedding and cleaning pet hair and can be used in various scenarios to meet your different needs. Number second, pet grooming and vacuuming. In addition to the grooming tools, this kit also includes a vacuum feature with 3 levels of suction. It can remove up to 99% of scattered pet hair with a maximum suction power of approximately 13 kPa. This allows you to groom your pets and keep your home clean and tidy simultaneously. Number third, quality or characteristic. 3.2-liter large capacity dust cup. Unlike some other grooming kits, the Miovant pet hair vacuum has a large 3.2-liter dust cup. This feature is especially useful if you have large dogs with more hair, since it reduces the frequency of having to empty the dust cup. Number 4. Rechargeable electric clippers. The electric clippers included in this kit are rechargeable and can last for approximately 2.5 hours on a full charge. They come with 4 interchangeable heads: 1 by 8 inches, 1 by 4 inches, 3 by 8 inches, and 1 by 2 inches to suit different hair lengths of dogs. Number 5th characteristic, convenient to use and clean. The kit is designed for convenience with a 4.8 feet long hose and an 8.5 feet power cord. It also comes with a hose holder and carry handle for ease of use. The ergonomic design allows for great flexibility as you groom your dog or clean your home. Number 6 characteristics, reliable after-sale service. Miovant is a professional pet brand, and their products come with a 12-month warranty. If you encounter any product quality issues, you can contact their customer service team for assistance. This kit appears to offer a versatile solution for pet owners who want to groom their pets and keep their homes clean from pet hair. However, always make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper usage and maintenance of the tools and equipments. Thank you very much.